So it's high up to the facility for SWAT team. Him and the doctor love him and the fret them I want to them pretty girl. Him and the storm on the world, everything correct. Boom, 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 here, it's a young chain. Boy, we ears a ring. SWAT team, we ears a ring.
Go back in my bed from morning. Be in my blood clot bed. And I think we spread it up from blood clot, man. That's the last step. It's a wake up at early time there. You go outside. Oh. The ear boy know why me a call her. When I rock and blood clot, I'm going to tell the ear boy me a call her. Why you call me at work? Oh, me not hear the ear. Why you call me at work? Hold on. Let's send the ape a message. Ape slaughters. You say I got dash out my immigration paper over 3 weeks now. Me I wait for you to dash it out. And me cannot wait no more. Me need you to roll out my deported paper. And that me I call you about. Because I'm sitting down waiting. And I want you to come on my live and bring out my immigration papers. I'm waiting. Me I wait for you to bring out my immigration paper. I'm sitting waiting. I told you 2 weeks ago. If I didn't know that you say what's going to come with my immigration paper, I would have added you to the live. So now, I want you to come with the immigration paper so I can add you upon the live. Make it a date and don't be late. Okay? Ape. Planet of the ape. Okay? Ape slaughters. Yeah, that me I call about. Why you roll out the immigration paper for me? Understand, monkey? Okay. Yeah? Ape slaughters. You say I got dash out my immigration paper over 3 weeks now. Me I wait for you to dash it out. And me cannot wait no more. Me need you to roll out my deported paper. And that me I call you about. Because I'm sitting down waiting. And I want you to come on my live and bring out my immigration papers. I'm waiting. Me I wait for you to bring out my immigration paper. I'm sitting waiting. I told you 2 weeks ago. If I didn't know that you say what's going to come with my immigration paper, I would have added you to the live. So now, I want you to come with the immigration paper so I can add you upon the live. Make it a date and don't be late. Okay? Ape. Planet of the ape. Okay? Ape slaughters. Yeah, that me I call about. Why you roll out your immigration paper for me? Understand, monkey? Okay. Yeah, well, I send her a message. She go read it. Or she go drink it. Anyone can know monkey already or monkey work. The ape now answer. But shall the ape hang up the call? Yep, just go in the toilet and answer. Yep, go in the toilet and answer me. If you dash out my immigration paper, me not argue with you no more. If you just pop out my immigration paper and make me see, I'm not gonna argue with you no more. So come and roll out the immigration paper you say you have for me. Come on. Come girl. Bring out the paper. Ape woman, she a monkey, she a ape. You have access to my paper through me a gorilla. Eh? So through you a monkey and me a gorilla, you have access to my paper. Roll out it. They tell you, say you chat be your shit. Roll out my paper. Let me tell you something. Roll out my paper. So you can go make up your Nancy story, your 2 story. That's why I send you a voice note. So you can listen to the voice notes. Yep. Me a wait upon you. You know, should I tell me some immigration paper, yeah, come dash out what there? When you ball out that I'm here, I say, alright, like when you have my immigration paper. Come on, I've been waiting nearly 2 weeks now. I cannot wait no more. I need my immigration paper to roll out on the Instagram. Monkey dinky do the woman. Do the mouth woman wife can roll out my blood clot papers. Yep. My wife roll out me nah, I notice me not argue with you. I'm not arguing with you because you know what, I need you to come with your facts. Not fiction. You're full of fiction, not blood clot. Fiction. You're full of blood clot fiction. You're fakenews.com. Boop in your head. Fakenews.com. Yep, you're fakenews.com. Boop in your head. One in them head. Them dead, my dead. Crazy fucking monkey. Crazy. You're a fucking crazy bitch. You lie every fucking day. You have my immigration paper. Yeah, watch me, I'm a nice clean blood clot. Man, my man never put him hand on me a blood clot. Him mouth light and mine light turn a blood clot. You know what I mean? My book is an open blood clot book. If a boy talk to me, I don't like it. I bring down in blood clot. Live or in a blood clot live. Yeah, me not a secret of blood clot. No skeleton in my blood clot closet. What you talk about? Lady, be a fake news that come out and attack. People feel lock you up for fake news. Boop. One in your blood clots. Go away. Well, the ape don't want to answer. The ape I tell her about shit their work. But same like how the ape can listen. Send a text. The ape no can just go in the toilet. Ape go in the toilet. Go in the blood clot.